Bro, what in the Resident Evil kind of
Worry, the cradle can't hurt us anymore. We're special. Special since we first experienced the cradle.
Special ed is teeth. Do you even lift? Look at that! You gotta be looking at that. You almost had